Kodiak will jump on my back when he wants to go outside, or he'll go to the window and go. Even as a kitten, Kodiak would jump up to the windowsill every single day. He cannot be inside the house for very long. Kodiak will start pacing around. It's just a constant meowing. I tried walking him every single day, sometimes up to 5-6 hours. I was dedicated. It would take about 30 hours a week of my time. As soon as we would get home, he would still be complaining by the window, wanting to go outside, so it was never enough.
I can't help but to think this is personal. Was your walk not long enough today? Not gonna look at all, huh?
I was really trust and confidence. He will put himself into more daring situations, like with water. Fun, more of a priority if it hadn't been for Kodiak.